We're now in the eye wall. We're in the eye wall. Here it comes.
It's not just about the thrill of being in a storm. It's the thrill about saving people's lives too, because that's what a lot of chasers are there to do, is collect the data, learn how to predict, forecast, which is what the storm warning is actually all about, disaster preparedness. I think the line workers are highly underappreciated. And we saw them streaming in, all the line workers, the emergency vehicles, everybody coming in by the hundreds.
But I would tell the line workers and the men and women who do work on the front lines in the electrical industry, keep doing what you do. Know you are appreciated.
And I just want to encourage them and say thank you very much for your hard work. And keep this in mind too, this is in the age right now of coronavirus. So now you're out there and you're putting your lives on the lines in double duty like that. And we're very appreciative of their hard work.